How's it going, guys? SYGTECH is here. So let's do this test. We have the action 6 and the action 5. This is going to be the super night mode test. Let's see which camera will perform well. We have the mic mini connected. Action 5 still looks brighter. We have the action 6 on the right. We have the mic mini connected. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think. Super night mode on both cameras. The action 6 looks a little bit darker. The action 5 looks a little bit brighter. Interesting. Now let's check the footage under this lamp post. Is there any difference? Okay, let's continue here down. So action 6, I've been using this camera for the past 3 weeks. With all the controversies going on, actually I like it. Even though there is no lot of big difference with action 5 Pro. But I like it. Let's go this way. This is gonna be just quick one. Actually, let's go this way. Standard dewarp on both cameras. And let's see if there's any difference. Just I'm gonna turn the camera so you can see. Yes, the action 6 looks much brighter. No, actually action 5 looks much brighter. But we'll see which camera has the most noisy footage. Yeah, I think some people will prefer the action 6 because it's more clear. Yeah, let's turn the camera this way now. So just to have a better idea. It's just a quick video around my area here. It's quite dark. Let's see. So this is my favorite test. Let's check the under bridge test. So you are the judge. Let me know in the comments below what do you think. All the settings are standard. We have the variable aperture on standard as well. So just to make everything fair. Okay, let's turn the camera this way now. The car is approaching. Okay. How is the footage? So far we are recording around 6 minutes ish, 5 minutes ish. Again, this camera is not meant for nights. I mean, you can still use it at night, but it's not meant to do video at night. But it's pretty good so far. Okay, let's go back. So yeah, it's been like nearly a month since I bought it. Not sponsored by DJI. The more I use it, the more I like it, if I'm honest with you. I know, like I mentioned in the beginning, I was not a big fan because we are expecting to get like 5K, 8K, 1-inch sensor. And I think DJI is missing a lot this year. But there'll be a different video about that. So let's turn the camera this way now. Me tap the screen. On the small screen looks better on the Action 6, but again, I will check that when I edit the video. So let's see. At Action 6, the screen is off. Okay, let's turn the camera this way now. I know this is boring, but just to have a better idea, if you decide to use the camera at night, at least we can see there's some artifacts. Let's turn the camera back and let's see how is the footage. Let me go away because there's a car approaching. Okay. Yeah, the Action 5 looks very bright. The Action 6 looks very dark. Interesting. Very interesting. But what I noticed for the past couple of weeks is that the Action 6 is more clear in a way that is clean. There is no lot of grain, there is no lot of noise. And that's why it makes the footage a little bit better, but in the same way, it's darker, if you know what I mean. Let's turn the camera this way now. Okay. car is approaching. Okay. Yeah, the Action 5 looks very bright for some reason. Interesting. Let me see if the mic is still here. Yes, I don't want to lose it. Yeah, Action 6 looks dark. Okay, another car is approaching. Okay, we are recording 11 minutes. Not bad. Okay, let me try this interesting test here. The Action 6 looks much cleaner. And let's go up now. This is going to be interesting to see here. Which camera is doing better? Okay, we're very close. And we are in. Yeah, the screen is off. This is gonna be interesting to see which camera perform. Okay, we are in the office. Let me put the tripod. I'll try to put it right. That should do the job. So there we have it, guys. So we have the Action 5 Pro on the left, Action 6 on the right. Let me know in the comments down below which camera do you prefer, or if the Action 5 Pro is still great in 2026. Let me know in the comments down below. So what do you think about this test? And yeah, leave a comment.